Restart! 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 So ladies and gentlemen,
to please settle down.
बैठता है वो कहता है कि मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि चीटिंग गलत बात है। वो तो 18-19 साल लग गए ये जानने के लिए। सो द आइडिया इज टू persevere, I said again, to do your own bit for people around you, and through
that person, that defines your character, that is successful. So I hope, and these are values that are out there in the world trying to achieve what you aspire to. These are things and many more things you will learn with them. You have to embrace that. Embrace your own unique experiences. You know? So, yeah, that is what success for me is today.
That was impressive, sir. Alright. Now you will need to answer me in a word. What has changed with success?
वीडियो आया एक वीडियो
I think there's a lot more responsibility. I also recognize the fact that I'm not just someone who can go out there, do his work, and go back home. I think with whatever little I have achieved over these years, I see a sense of responsibility brewing with time. And it is
love and gratitude.
और भी आंसर
my wife, Shorin Bhanu, love you. एक poem, Hindi English is good, right? Yeah. What do you guys prefer? Both? ठीक है. Let us not give preference to either one of them. There was one poem which I had learned when I was very young, and it kind of stayed in my mind. And what better opportunity than today to share that with you. It's also raining. Pardon my diction. यहाँ पे जितने भी teachers. Oh my God. Favorite romantic hero Shah Rukh Khan. KKR, huh?
Okay, so TV shows, movies or web series?
All possible mediums, and I really mean it. I enjoy all three of them.
So, but you have to pick one.
Movies.
Fantastic thing.
Sir, quickly take your pick. Rohit or Virat?
Rohit or Virat? It's tough. It's very tough. I can't choose between them because both of them are legends in their own right. But a little more Rohit because I'm also from Mumbai.
Because sir, Vivek Agnihotri or Anurag Kashyap?
Anurag Kashyap.
Not Vivek Agnihotri?
No, I really want to work with Anurag Kashyap.
Okay, sir. Deepika Padukone or Veeda Shankar?
Both of them are actually. Yeah, you're putting me in a fix, huh? You guys have made some really tough questions. Both of them. Both of them.
Understandable, sir. Bablu Pandit or Manoj Kumar?
आप ही लोग बताइए, बबलू भैया या मनोज कुमार? I think the answer is right there. Manoj Kumar Sharma. Yes.
Okay, sir. Skill or fitness? Skill or fitness?
Skill or finesse? I think
Skill
both of them
or
are the
fitness?
same. Both are the same. Finesse is acquired after you honed your skills enough. So I think you cannot achieve finesse without skill. Both.
Sir, BTS or Taylor Swift?
Oh my God. I see a lot of K-pop guys here, huh? No? No? Taylor Swift?
Sorry, BTS fan.
Honestly, can I tell you one thing? I concede. Guys, I am a generation older. मैंने दोनों को ही नहीं सुना है. मैंने इन दोनों को ही नहीं सुना है. Can I give a very diplomatic but also correct answer according to this? Because for me, it reflects my mindset. Rabindra Sangeet. Yes. Easy. I like taking it easy, you know.
Mirzapur or the upcoming Sabarmati report?
I think the Sabarmati report, because Mirzapur is done, I don't really like dwelling a lot in the past. Sabarmati report is yet to come, and it's a very important film. It's one of those films which is very, very special to me. So Sabarmati report.
Hard work or smart work?
I think a mix of both. I certainly can't choose either.
Sir, I think the audience here will agree with me that the most painful thing expected of us is to remember notes of history, chemistry and so on. So let me check how well you remember the dialogues of your movie.
I can try.
IAS बनना बड़ी बात नहीं है. So complete this.
IAS बनना बड़ी बात नहीं है. Something देश को चलाना है, right? क्या मेरी लाइन है? एक बार फिर से बोलना था.
IAS बनना बड़ी बात नहीं है.
आप ही बोल दो यार, क्या है लाइन?
बड़ी बात यह है कि जिस कुर्सी पर आप बैठेंगे ना, उससे आपकी इज्जत ना हो.
This is विकास सर डायलॉग. ये मेरा डायलॉग नहीं है यार, ये विकास सर का डायलॉग था, जो मेरे टीचर थे उनका डायलॉग था ये. हाँ, तो ही सेड IAS बनना बड़ी बात नहीं है, जिस कुर्सी पर आप बैठे हैं ना, उस कुर्सी की आपसे इज्जत बढ़े, ना कि आपकी उस कुर्सी से.
Yes, sir. So the next one, if I cannot be the sun that shines upon the earth.
I can still be a lamp and shine light up my street.
Wow, that's an A+.
That was my dialogue.
Sir, who is your inspiration?
Who's my inspiration? Quite a lot of people.